How to check password on Roblox. In this tutorial, I will show you how to check your password on Roblox. The first step is to open the Roblox application on your device. On the home page, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the More page, scroll through the options and tap on Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on the option named Account Info. On the Account Info page, you may see the option to add a passkey by tapping here, and this will allow you to log in without needing a password. However, if your goal is to check your current Roblox password, you will not find it inside the app. Instead, you need to exit Roblox and open the Settings app on your iPhone. On the Settings page, scroll down and tap on the option named Passwords. After that, you will be asked to verify your identity either with Face ID, Touch ID, or your phone passcode. Once verified, you will land on the Passwords page, where you can see all the saved passwords on your device. To find the Roblox password, go to the search bar at the top and type Roblox. From the results that appear, tap on Roblox, and you will see the username and the password associated with your account. If the password is hidden, tap on the hidden field to reveal it. This way, you will be able to recover your Roblox password easily. This process is simple and effective, especially if you saved your password in iCloud Keychain. I hope this tutorial has helped you find the solution. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to check password on Roblox.